Listen. I can explain. Peace and blessings, beautiful people. My name is Abril, your resident herbalist, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty, Herbs, and Tea. We talk about all things tea, herbs, and resources to help you start your herbal business right now and help you start making money in your business right now. So if you are new here, welcome. First of all, shout out to the almost 25,000 followers. I've been going, but y'all still been following and subscribing. I love that. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are one of my OGs, welcome back. And I know I have some explaining to do, okay? I have been gone for a few months off social media, but it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. So for the past few weeks, I've been getting so many DMs from people who followed me, who found me from my YouTube channel, and it just made me feel bad. So I realized that I get a lot of followers from my YouTube family, and I'm like, you know what, I gotta come back and explain to them where I've been at, and it really has not been my fault. If y'all don't know, I bought a farm, okay, out in the middle of freaking nowhere. I'm about 2 hours east of Atlanta in a very, very rural town, and the internet here sucks, okay? It is so horrible. So the local internet companies, the speeds are very slow, and it does not allow me to upload videos, upload large files. So I've had to use a hotspot, and if I upload one YouTube video, that takes up all of my internet data for that month. So it's like, okay, either run a business or YouTube. I can't do both. So unfortunately, I have not been able to post all of the amazing YouTube content that I have for you all. I literally have 10 videos ready to be posted, but again, I didn't have the proper internet and the proper internet speeds to be able to post it. But that is changing. My electricity company is actually coming out with their own version of the internet, which will be way better than these hotspots that I'm using. So I will be able to deliver you all consistent videos like I have been doing in the past. So let's talk about what I have been doing while I've been gone, because a girl been busy, okay? A girl has been busy. So while I've been gone, I've traveled to 4 different countries in like 4 months. It's crazy. I traveled to Guatemala, Costa Rica, Ghana, and I just got back from Bali, from a birthday Bali trip. I'll try to insert some videos right up here, but I taught herbalism over in Costa Rica. I went to Ghana to plan my next Indigenous herbal retreat, which it is out, y'all. The registration is out. If you want to come to Ghana, to the motherland with me to learn about herbs and indigenous medicine from local herbal healers and nature experts, go ahead and sign up in the description box below. We only got like 6 spots left. I think less than that. I also recently wrapped up teaching 3 live classes. I wrapped up teaching my Herbal Business Assistant course live class cohort, my 6-figure bootcamp, and my very, very new Herbalism and Tea mentorship program that actually wrapped a few weeks ago, well actually last month. So along with traveling and teaching live classes, I've also been working on this land. Yes, I do stay on 87 acres of land, and I am turning it into an herbal farm and an in-person herbalism school and retreat space. So it has been taking me so much time to get this space ready for you all to come on. So let me know down in the comments if you all would like for me to vlog, you know, behind the scenes living on a farm. If you all want any farming vlogging videos, let me know down in the comments. Just a behind the scenes of what it is like getting this in-person herbalism school ready, let me know. Opening up this school has taken so much out of me. We've built so many things. I personally built things. I built an outhouse. I've been building raised garden beds. I've been building a raised platform for glamping tents. I've been planting. I've been doing so much. And so yes, that is what I have been doing in the past 5 months of 2023. That's crazy. I'm just now realizing how much I've done in 2023. I need to take a break. But yes, that is it. I did want to share with you all that videos are coming back. Please drop down in the comments what type of videos you want to see. Again, if you want to see farming video content, let me know. I do have more videos on starting your herbal business, on herbalism and getting into herbalism, learning it, different types of herbalism, as well as helping to grow and market your business. But again, I got like 10 videos. So y'all let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see from me. Let me know if you want to see those farming videos, and just let me know what y'all been up to. All right, y'all, that is it. Y'all will see me very soon in the next video. As always, don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. And I see you all later. Bye.